Hi guys, let's create this beautiful smoky eye look together in literally less than 30 minutes. So first of all, I'm going to be taking this very light eyeshadow from my eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use to set my already concealed eyelid. So I'm going to be dabbing it lightly into my eyelid to set, and then I'll go in with my base. Yes, for the smoky eye look, you need a base that will make the eyeshadow to pop very well. So I'm using this eyeliner that is like a kajal in a pencil form, and I'm using that for my base, putting that all over my eyelid, just a little bit beneath my crease. So like I said, this is to make the eyeshadow pop very well. It's acting as a base for our black eyeshadow. So if you also have a black eyeliner gel, you can also use that will also work. So I'm applying it, and after that I'm going to be using this brown eyeshadow. Yes, this light brown eyeshadow to blend out my black base. I'm going to be blending it out, as you can see. Just blend it and keep blending. And one thing I like about this kajal eyeliner stick, it is easily blendable. It is very easy to blend. So I'll keep blending with that brown eyeshadow, blend my both eyes. So just to make that transition shade a little bit darker, I'm using a darker shade of brown to also blend out the eyeshadow all together. So I'm blending the eyeshadow out with a darker shade of brown, and that's literally what I'm doing, just to make it a little bit darker. And now for my outer V, I'm using this slightly pink eyeshadow just to make it a little bit brighter in my outer V corner. So I'm using this light pink eyeshadow to just blend everything all together, so it's very seamless. And now for the star of the show, I believe I'm setting my base with this matte black shadow from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm dabbing it, pressing it onto the base, so it will have a matte finish, a matte look. So you press it in there for more pigmentation as well, so it will get very pigmented. So for the lower part of my eye is almost the same step. I'm going in with my black kajal liner and then blending it out with the two different brown shades that I use to blend out my liner in the upper part of my eyes. So I'm blending that out, and also added a little bit of that pink shade to blend out. And for the outer corner of my eye, I'm adding a gold shimmery eyeshadow just to give it a little bit of life and to make the outer corner of my eye pop. Yes, so I added my eyelashes, and this is what the outcome is like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.